This conference will now be recorded.
So is my voice is delay?
No, sir, it's proper.
Not right. Okay, because it's mobile internet, so it makes me clarifications. So dashboard is nothing but what? Collection of different sheets
Collection
and
of
views.
different.
Yes, dashboard is nothing but this is nothing but dashboard. And we can use F7 is the shortcut. Shortcut to play the dashboard. Presentation, to play the presentation key. Presentation of the dashboard. Presentation of dashboard I will mention here. Okay, same thing. So now first create 3 sheets. One is nothing but running total by segment of years. Okay. And one more sheet you create sales by state. And one more sheet you create sales by category. Okay. So these are 3 what we are going to do now. So let me go back here to our Tableau. The first thing we are going to do, running total by segment. Okay. Now let me take what is a segment and based on segment. And next sales. Then based on the years. Order date I'll take. And I want continuous. I'll make it like this. Okay. So once this is done, this is making it continuous. Why? Because you want everything like 3 different quarters or years like that. However you want, you can mention that. So now based on category, right? So let me take category wise. I will drag it into colors. So that will be highlighting, it will be easy. And on the right side, you take this view. Like this, you create it. Okay, segment on the year, sum of sales by category are taken because the color variation size you get. And I selected this one, area chart, discrete tribe. This one. So this is the first sheet we are done. Let me go for the second sheet. So this is nothing but sales by category. So taken the sales. Subcategory or category, you take it. Okay, and that I will put it into colors also, where I'll get different colors. Like this, it will be better. Okay, if it is more, you can filter also. I hope this will be fine. We're not able to filter. If you want to filter, where will take less, because more is there in the dashboard view. If it is less, means it is better. Yeah, this much is fine for me. And next, the third one is nothing but sales by sheet, sales by state. So now just double click state wise. You go for the graph view. Yes. Now state has been taken for the details. Let us change that one. Yeah, like this. So you have different countries. So as of now, just names is enough for us. We don't want that amount, the sales amount. If you want, you drag and drop that is also into the label. Okay, or the details. So where we'll get that zoom of that. So as of now, this is fine for us. Sales by state. Okay, if you want, you can take the sales and drag it into that label. So how much we'll get it that also. So I don't want it now here. We'll take that later. So this is fine. So make sure that you have created all these three sheets now. Running total. So we are still pending here. What one is? We are not better than the running total here. So just click on this arrow mark on the sales, pick table calculations, and then take running total. Fine. Complete of this first sheet. Sales by category is over, and sales by state is over. So clear? Creating these three sheets.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. So now we have different three sheets. Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. All the three sheets, whatever that we are having, I want to see it into one place, the collection of all the sheets. I want to present in one place. So that where I use dashboard. Okay, this is the place where I use the dashboard. So now once I click on the dashboard, automatically I'll be getting on the left side running total, the sheet 1, sales by category, the sheet 2, and sales by state, the category means worksheet 3. These are the three sheets, and objects we are having in the bottom in this place, and I'll tell you what is tiled and floating also. But now what happens once if I take running total, if I drag and drop it here, so I'm taken here title. I'll show you what is the difference between this title and tiled and floating. Just I'll take this running total and I'll drag up, drop it in this drop sheet here. So automatically get an entire view of that running total in one place. Entire view of that. Okay, and then I'll take the sales by category. When I bring it, see left, right, top, and bottom. In 4 areas, in any one place I can place it. Let me place it in the bottom. is better for me. So automatic will adjust based on that. Means automatically based on horizontal or vertical. Once I drop it in the tiled option, using tiled option, automatically auto fit option will be enabled. Auto fit. So which has to be there this much, which is the maximum size, and which is the lesser size. Based on that, it will be added. And even we can add so filter in this place also. Filter is one of the easiest option in this place. I'm going to filter by the category. Only furnitures or office supplies, like that. Like this. So now one more sheet I will take, the sales by state. I will drag and drop it in this place. So now everything, all three are tiled in this place. So once if I press F7, I'll get the presentation view of that. So where I can give a presentation for that. Previous sheet.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, I'm
Yes,
not
tell me,
getting
ma'am.
that filter option.
Even
You're
me,
not
sir.
getting. One second. I'll get
No, sir.
cancel here. I'll go for dashboard. See, can you see a small arrow mark in this? Here. Click on this arrow mark. Filter. Filter by category. Go for the dashboard view. See, click on this small arrow mark. More options. Filters. Category based and filtering. Getting?
Yes.
Yeah, good. Okay, so now I'm going to present this as a presentation mode. F7 you can use. So this is the one place where everything I will get in one sheet, on one presentation, one slide. You can say, however, in one slide, I'm getting all the three worksheets. It's nothing but dashboard. So and then press right arrow mark, or you can just use this arrow marks here in this place. So the first one, running total by segment, sales by category, sales by state. Clear? And then the final. So this is what I'm getting in the dashboard. So it will be easiest for us to present this, make a presentation where everything together also different also. In one place we can present everything for them clearly. And they have options to filter, and they have option to highlight that. Only furnitures here, office supplies here and here, and technology only here. Clear, right? So once if you done like this, next what I will do, I'll create one more dashboard. Sheet. One more dashboard, dashboard 2. So here we will see what is floating. I'll set here floating. So floating is nothing but we can create a small image size view where it will be floating there. We can move it whenever you want, however you want. Before it will be giving like option left horizontally 2 columns, vertically 2 rows. So now when I take floating, drag and drop here like this. Wherever you want, you can move this. Placing the cursor here, you can move it here. Sales by category, sales by a small type of image view. where we will be getting like this. In one more dashboard, this is floating view. So wherever you want, how much size you want, you can create it. So this, I will drag it to the right side here somewhere. This one somewhere. Like this. Clear? This is the difference between the tiled and floating. Okay. So now let me take one more sheet, this dashboard now. So now here, let's see some of options from here. Image. So we are in the view of floating. You can take tiled also or floating also, whichever. Okay, I'll take tiled. So I think better floating. I'll take an image. So once you take that image, you'll be having an option like edit image object. Choose an image. Click here. Choose the image. Apply. So you can place this image wherever you want it.
So can you show this part again?
Okay. So what I'm doing, is again take a new dashboard. I'm just taking that floating option. It will be better for me for this image. I will take image, means I will do double click on that. So automatically you'll get one pan here, and then you'll get this one option. Choose an image, click on choose. So here we have another two options: fit image, center or fit. So let it be in fit only. Choose an image. And select the image. And then give apply and OK. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now what I will do, I will take this web page. And here I'll give like www.google. I'll move this here. I'll increase the pan. Like this. So whatever you want, just like a browser. See, you can keep on choosing it, browse it. You have to enter the URL. So internet little slow here, I think. I don't know, only web page is this much. No, actually internet is slow, it's loading. Okay, so this is how you can insert a web page. So where it gives our option like a browser, whatever you want, you can search in that place only directly. Clear? This is the browser. and then I'll take just let it be like this, the browser and web image separately. And this place, what I'm going to take, not dashboard, sorry, sheet. I'll take a dashboard. So now take this sales by state, drag and drop it. I'll take tiled sales by state. I'll drag and drop it. Okay. Came like this. And then on the downside, I will take web page and I'll drag and drop it in the bottom here. Okay. So they're asking for the URL. So actually what we are going to do now is, so now as of now the California is top. So now what I will do, I'll take California report, means URL from the Google in the Wikipedia, for example, as what I did the same thing the last class, California I'll take Wikipedia one. Yeah, I just click here, copy this URL, select all this URL of the California Wikipedia page, Control C, I'll copy that, or else right click copy also you can do it. Now come back to the Tableau software, just paste it here and just click on. Now can you see that California has been loaded here? Editing this one.
Yes, sir.
So now next is what? When I click on New Mexico, automatically I should get in Wikipedia about New Mexico. If I click Texas, automatically, just if I click, by clicking on that, I should get automatically. Okay, so instead of searching each and every time in the Wikipedia displays, I'll just click, by selecting that, it should automatically redirect to the search. So that is what we are going to see it here now. So now what I will do, we are going to add an action for this one. So like how if I click on Texas, automatically it has to search. We have to add an action. So just to create or add an action, you just click on the dashboard while we are doing now the dashboard concept. Click on the dashboard, scroll down, go for action. So once if you click on that, you will be entered in this screen. Okay, now just what you do, just click on this add action, and now add action on URL, just click. Okay, so now you can give the name of that link, means you can give any action name for here, this one, and automatically it has been selected for dashboard 4, no changes, and the sheet is nothing but sales by state. Run action, you select this one, select. This is a run option, run action on selecting. Whenever I select, the action has to run. Okay, so then what is that URL you copied for this one? This entire URL. You paste it here. So everything are same now, just I am having the different state or cities state. So based on the state, I'm going to switch by selecting that. It has to load that. So now what I will do, I will erase this California. On the right side, there is the arrow mark, right? Click on this. Go for the state. Just click add the state action here. Then finally just click on OK. Okay. And then finally click on. So done this one. So now what happens here? Just I will click on Texas. See, automatically is loading here. I'm getting the details for the Texas. Once I click there, I'm getting India now. Okay. Montana, Washington. Just by clicking that, automatically it is getting loaded here. Can you see that? Just make sure that you are getting this one. It will be an important option.
Yes.
Getting right? Yeah.
Yes.
So this is nothing but by based on the web page select options. So all these are dashboard views. Whatever we have done, we can add text.
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me, ma.
Sir, what was the hyperlink that you used?
What I have used that hyperlink.
Yes, sir. Name of the link that you used.
See, just go to Google Chrome. Okay, what you do, go to Chrome. You take a open a web page, type California. It will get preview like this. Take the first link, California Wikipedia. So then you just do double click here. You'll get everything, all this. Then select everything, right click, copy that, then go back to Tableau. Okay, and then I'll close this one. I'll click on this web page. I will paste that entire link there directly. Just click OK. It will be loaded. Okay, now I will just direct it into the bottom or top, like how it is. Now, what you do, go for dashboard, go for actions. Already I have that, I'll delete it. Just click on add action, go to URL. There, that URL what you copied from this place, right? Same URL once again also you can copy it and you paste it here. Then erase only the California. Why? Because everything we are doing by state. The link will be same in the Wikipedia. That's last word will be keep on changing different state. Just erase that. Click on this arrow mark here. Take state, and then in this place you select this option. By selecting, automatically it has to load the URL. Select. It's very important here. Select this one and just click on OK. And then OK. So now you click, automatically we get loaded. See? Getting loaded. clicked. So clear, ma? You're getting the link now. How to take that?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So now this is nothing but called as what we're using dashboards. I told you this can be presented different views. Okay, this is our previous one. What we have added our logos and web pages, and then finally press escape to cancel the presentation. And even you can share this workbook to any servers, websites. If you have that username, the server name and password, you can just load it, or you can share that. You can create a site and you can load for that also. So these options also available here. Is that clear for everyone? Dashboard options. So now I just click outside and come back. So now this is nothing but dashboard options. Okay, so hope you understood all this and all. So now I'll give some 5-10 minutes time. So please rewind all options. What and all you have done previously. Go once through that. Make sure that you are having any doubts anywhere. Rewind all that doubts. If you have anything, you'll go once again on the doubt sessions. Okay, so take some time and just please go on that. Anything you have still doubts in previous classes. So while practicing, if you have any doubts that if you kept pending or where you have noted down anywhere means, please make sure that you clarified with that. Okay, let's go for another concept. Means that we'll clarify that. Then I will show once how that exam pattern will be there, how you have to take up the exams. So because maybe tomorrow you'll be having your exams. Clear? So go once through that. I'll give some 5-10 minutes time. Have go once through all that previous class notes, all files, and then tell me if you have any doubts. After 10 minutes, you can ask. I'll unmute that at 5 o'clock. There until that you prepare your anything doubts, I will ask that time. Okay. Palak, you're there?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Why this is only here one in this place? For
Sir,
running
I
total,
guess tomorrow I'm not able to do in a proper manner. Today I'll do the same. Today I'll edit my file. Tomorrow
okay.
I'm facing some errors. Then today
Oh,
again I'll do that.
okay, so clear. Anything you have doubts? Anything, please tell me. If you have any doubts, I'll clarify you that, and then I'll go for that how that exams pattern will be there. I will show you once that.
When is the exam, sir?
Most probably it will be tomorrow, ma. If not, it will be informed. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Exams maybe tomorrow. Okay. 85% will be tomorrow. It will be conducting the last class of our tablets. So exams will be conducted. So if not, it will be taken on any one day. Okay. You can just take that. But if it is tomorrow, you have less time. You can keep on practicing that. However, you are practicing every day. Okay, not a problem. Okay, so even the patterns you should understand. I'll tell you all that. So first, before that, once let's go on that all that. If you have any doubts, please tell me that. We will clarify that. Revise on your all chapters, whatever we have conducted. Anyone have any doubts?
So the exam will be online itself, right?
Yeah, it will be in online only, mark. It will be around 60 marks. Another 40 marks will be given assignment as assignment marks from my side.
Okay,
So
sir.
total of 100 marks.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Asking any previous doubts means all exam doubts only you're asking, huh? Exams are not new for you, right? Many exams you have crashed, so that's not at all a problem for you. Anything, any doubts?
No, sir.
No doubts.
For
Okay.
now, we don't have because we have the videos
Yeah, if you
also
have the
with
videos,
us.
it's not a problem. Make sure that if you have confidently, if you want videos, means you can download that videos also. You can keep it out. Why? Because in case if that are videos, if it is got deleted from the YouTube channel after some days, or means will be a problem. You can have that. Means if you have that something YouTube downloader, you know, most probably everyone knows that YouTube downloader and all. Okay, you can take that y2med.com or say from NetPaste. Anything, you can just have that videos. I think most probably it will come around 1 or 2 GB. You can download it and you can keep it safe. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
files, videos also not a problem. Why? Because you have your work files you have sent in that mail. Okay, you can open that also. You can do that. Make sure that you're keeping your files very safe. The data, whatever we are using the data site. all this data. I hope everyone will be having all the data. Once again, I'll scroll that. So make sure that you're having all this data. Cross file, cross join, module 1 dataset, module 2 dataset, module 3 dataset. Okay. And then coffee chain for data blending, coffee chain, global superstore, office city sales blending, super office supplies, retail store US. Okay. Coffee chain, superstore, sample superstore, that is global superstore. Soccer games, string data for Tableau, and Tableau for pivot concept Tableau. So make sure all you're having all these data. So what we will do?
So we don't have soccer games, no, sir.
Yes. All are different data. If you see once data, you will understand how we have to import, how we have to work on that. Different data, but this was we are done for a different concept. We are not done with that one. I'll show you that. Soccer games will open. Maybe we are done. I think so. First, I will group that all.
No, so we don't have that soccer games file.
Which one, ma?
That soccer game, sir.
Yeah. I'll open that. I'll show you that. Why that. Okay. I think these are all. I will copy it. I will make it a zip. Data for Tableau. Copy. Get a folder. Data sets for Tableau. Okay. Here. Just base a small concept. So starting understanding, okay, these are the teams, win or loss. Based on the columns, if you want to find out this win or loss, we can use this one. So small data for starters, I created this one. Very basic starters are there, right? Who are doing Tableau without doing Excel and all. For them, I made this one. And that is also there. You can take that one. Now the data set for Tableau is there. We have our group. Download it. If you are using in the mobile, download it. Make sure that it is there in your file explorer. If you are doing in laptop, WhatsApp web, make sure download once, show in folder, collect it and keep it into the D drive or somewhere else. Okay, otherwise it will be permanent instead of keeping in the C drive. These are the tabs. Let me make sure they're in the desktop. Cities also is that. I think cities I sent in the last class, right? Okay, I forgot to add that in that. You can take that also. These are to our attendance. Yeah. So have you received the file? Download it, keep it, ma, for our reference. So whenever you have doubt, just mail me or just ping up in the group also, not a problem.
Okay, sir.
So now what I want to say. So just what you do, you search Tableau. If you search something in the Google and all, you may get some links. Okay. For example, I'll take this one. Okay, so like this. Okay, a references band cannot be based on two fixed points, true or false. False. So like this, the question should have been created. So which of the following is not a trend line mode? Okay, so binomial trend line mode. So like this, some little tough also will be there. So around few questions. And this is what you'll be having a question, and you'll be having 4 options. In that you can choose any one options. Please confirm whether my voice is audible or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's audible. So I'll give some. Just open a chat box and check it out. The questions pattern may be like this. Can you see in the chat box? And still also how we'll be having, like for example, how can I say, founder of Tableau, when they founded, where they founded. Okay, so len is what type of functions, if is what type of functions, and what type of function, when what type of functions. Okay, what are the string functions are there? Separator, what type of functions, and then upper, lower, all these are what type of functions. Functions may come. Tableau history may come. Okay, and so based on that global superstore, based on global superstore 2016 .xls file, based on this file, many practical questions will be asked. Okay, practical workouts means, okay, drag and drop like this. Okay, what type of visualization you will get? Practical related means based on workout, when you do practice how it comes. Practical related questions also will be there. Not deep, just overview of that. Sir, how much time we get to solve this paper? So that means the question, so most probably we'll be having more than 1 hour. 1 hour 15 minutes we'll be having. Suddenly today 20 people have arrived. How come? Okay. Anyone have any doubt on this?
Sir, on which website will be the exam posted?
It's our website. NICT portal will be there. Exam will be on
Okay.
NICT portal. Okay. So just I have many websites in Google Cloud. How MCQ comes, you know, right? Basically,
Yes, sir.
choose the best option. Yeah, we can just go through that. Whatever you want, you can go through that. You'll be having MCQs like that. And that pattern will be there. There are some of examples how that MCQ patterns will be there. I given, and you'll be having like whatever we have done our classes, table histories, formulas, okay, about dashboard, our worksheet view, okay, views of the tableaus, versions of the tableaus, what is the public, what is the desktop, different, everything will be based on this. Okay, in one part,
So
one
you will
questions.
be
And
so you will be giving the instructions on WhatsApp, sir, regarding the portal, that at what time we have to log in, or it
yeah,
will
that
be
will
in
be
the
there. That will be
MCQ
there.
test.
Yeah, that is the what is the
Sir, I'm not.
username. Huh? Tell me, ma.
Sir, I'm not there on WhatsApp group, sir. So what do I do? They didn't add me still.
Still, one second. I'm not admin. What? One second. Be alive. You tell me your name or number. One second. Tell me your number.
What's
WhatsApp number.
just 89511
89511
62
62
715.
715. Ritika, you are there? Who is that, Ritika? Maria Juice. Yeah, that means even my name is there, but that number is not there at all. It's a different number. Who's any others? No, neither. Okay. One second. Send the others also. Okay. So I sent to all that admins now to add to your numbers. Once again, I sent. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So they will be added. I think. I send this number. This is what your number. You just confirm this.
Where, sir? Yes, sir.
Okay. Given that all the admins, I sent the message. They will add that. So that group means that instructions to log in, instructions of the URL of web page, all the details will be given. Nothing else. Everything will be posted. The instructions will be given. Not at all. You have to worry. Okay. So I think this is okay for about what is information about the exams will be taken. So make sure that anything doubts and further anything you need to know, please make sure that confirm it now, clarify it now. Because after that onwards, I hope most probably will be having contact in mail or in our group only. Will be not having that video call, like Zoom or go to meetings. If you have anything, miss, you can just clarify with us now only. Anything others? Have any doubts? Okay, that links and all I posted in the chat box. Go there, take out that. You can refer. Many are there. You can take anything, not only what I mentioned. You can take first link, third link, fourth link. So thousands of links are there. You can go anywhere. You can refer that. Not at all problem. So something how MCQs will be there. I given that one. You can go through that. You can take whatever you want. So maybe because the question will be easy only. That's why I've taken some easy portions like that. It will be not too tough and all very easy questions. Easy will get passed. Not a problem at all. Anyone? Any doubts? Others, please tell me. Any installations, reinstallations, uninstallations, activations, or
So that
saving
video
file?
was not clear, sir, which you sent in the mail.
Okay. It's downloaded with 1088 pixel only. It's sad. Okay, I'll just check it out on how much clarity I don't know. So this much you don't do it at all. This much you don't need to do it at all. Why? Because we have the files. These are the portions how you have to download the file. Okay, after this only how to take that software for us. This is okay, right? I think this is fine. Or else once I show that by uninstalling and reinstalling, hope you will catch you that. Is it okay? Fine.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do it. We have that version here. First, we will uninstall of that existing version. Make sure that you are not sharing this with others and all this cracking portion. Make it confidential. So who? Someone told me to add this numbers. Who's that, ma? Just drop a message to me. Anyone? Who's that? I forgot the name. Told to add me in the group notes. Just you have my number, right?
No, sir, I don't have your number.
Okay, just well, because I have to share this to, I don't know how I will share you. Okay, just drop a message to this number. I will share that joining invitation to you.
Okay, sir, I'll just do it.
This is a number. So where is our tab? We will uninstall this one. I'm uninstalling it. It will be begin in the background.
Yes, sir, done.
Send the message. Yeah, so I will share you. 715 last. Just click on the link mark.
Yes, sir, done.
So you joined in the group.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So it's getting uninstalled. Okay, I clicked on this only. Currently it is running, so please that should be closed. Go straight. And install this existing version. It is running still. So see that when you are uninstalling, if it is say currently it is running, once you can restart it or else go for the task manager, you can end the task can by searching this here. If search T, Tableau will show. This is now uninstalling one. Previously it was showing somewhere. The services was running. So I ended the services so I could able to uninstall this. Once uninstallation is over, I'll tell you what you have to do. And that even it is fine if the internet is in off when we are installing the version what I've sent you. It's not also not a problem. If it is off, it is fine, I'm saying. Or else use your mobile internet. see it has been uninstalled now. Okay, so now once I'll go for, is it audible?
Yes, sir.
So once it has been
Yes, sir.
uninstalled, I'll refresh it. I'll go for the run command, clear the temporary files. The command is nothing but %temp %. Okay, so once you open this, make sure that all the temporary files will be there. Clear all the temporary files by using this command. Close it now. Let us get completed this one. Yeah. So over now, I hope this is a file what you have downloaded on this Tableau Professional Edition 2019 3.0 full wrap. And one more, this is video. Now just select this Tableau Professional Edition, right click on that, extract here. Done. Now once the extraction is done, open this folder. You'll be having three options. One is crack, one is readme text, one is setup. So just double click on the setup and run the file. Okay. So now in this first screen, what you do, check this one. Is it audible, right? It is audible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now first screen, you just enable this one, improve this product by sharing your usage data with Tableau, that you untick. First one you tick it, second one you untick it. Then click on just install, that's it. Wait until it gets fully completed. One more step is there. Anyone doing with me simultaneously by this time, or just taking this notes? It's done. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I go there where I extracted the file, right? I go to that place, open this folder, open this. You'll be having a tab UI.dll file. Just right click on that file. Copy that file, close it. Then there is that logo or the software icon what I'm getting that once if I install that 19.3. Okay, so just you do right click on this, go for open 5 location in this place. So here will be getting like this. Just in this place, do a right click and come to paste. Just click on paste. And you'll be having options: replace the file in destination, skip this file, compare info for both files. So what you have to do is replace the file. You need provide administrative permissions to copy this folder. Continue, because I'm an administrator. Count action because computer folder is after another program. Right click, open file location, paste. Okay, because it is getting opened, Tableau is getting opened. That's why it is not getting copied. Wait, let's Tableau gets once open, then we close it, then we can do that. That's what I'm thinking. Why once installation automatically has to open, it is not getting open. Now it is getting open. So maybe coming too slow. Once let it get open, we'll close it. Exit I'll give. I'll close it. I'll refresh. Then I open file location. Open file location. Right click. Paste now. Replace. Continue. Done. So once you install automatically, it is getting open. Until wait. Once it opens, then close it. Give exit. Don't want 14 days trial. Nothing. Exit. Close it. Then you copy that DLL file from which place? From this place under the crack. Copy this one. Okay. So then right click on this one. Open file location. Then right click there in that area and paste it. Once pasted, then you do refresh once. Then you open the Tableau software. You know, automatically it's getting opened. Nothing means like no, what is that? Trial or 15 days trial. I'm not getting anything. It's getting loaded. Let it get loaded. Okay, it's opened. Okay, we will check it out whether it's working or not first. We'll click on Microsoft Excel.
Sir, can you send the link from where we should download this?
Okay, I'll send the link. Okay, I'll click on documents. 1 second, be on a line. Yeah. So now I will take Global Superstore 2016, open it. Okay, the data is getting loaded. Let's take order. Go for sheet view. We entered into the sheet view. Everything are coming now here. So now we have to check it out. Why? Because there are some issues with other versions like this also, where map will be not loading. That one we have to check it out here. So I've checked already. I've sent you a working one only. State. Based on cells. Pakka. It's working fine now. Yeah. So it's fine. Not at all problem at all. Everything is working. Map is clear. Mine's it is slow. Why? Because my system is basically slow here now. Right now it is slow. Yeah, fine. Everything are working. Even the maps also loading. Not a problem at all. This clear, right? How to do this one? Let's make sure that all of you clear this one. So this will be helpful for you to practice without any interruptions.
So this will be for 14 days.
No, it's permanent.
Okay, sir.
14 days, I already told you, Mama. Again, I have to say one more time the 14 days, right? We will be.
I had that
But
doubt.
make sure that it is not a proper one. Okay, I hope you all you understand what is this actually. Okay, so because I made it for you while in the purpose of where you can't create different mail ID for 14 days. For example, today if you'll be creating one more mail ID and you'll be starting the trial, suddenly some emergency for 10 days you'll not practice. After 4 days will be there again one more mail ID. If you're having a problem, so I'll given this method or this way I prepared or I made it for you. Okay, so just hope you understand. You work out whenever you're free. Install this. After that 14 days over, 15 days over, then you make it this one install and work out. Okay, without any interruptions. Go fine. Work. Always have a touch with this. Okay, and the link. Anyone? Palak, you have the link?
Yes, sir. Can you please repeat it again? Which link? The mail that you have sent to us.
Yes, that one link I sent, right? It is there, Asi.
Yes, sir.
Who are requested for the last class, right? So wait. What I will do?
Yes, sir.
It's there, right? Okay. I'll create a common link. It is for editor one. Not this one. I think this one. Yeah. Right, 2 times. Okay. So now this is a link. This is a place. I'll just give a link for this. Anyone with this link are allowed to edit. I copy it and done. So the link will be sent in the group. It is fine, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. As soon as possible, download it and install it. Whether when they will be blocked, that we don't know. Once it is installed, not a problem at all. Okay, after 4-10 days, you install. Means film 2019 up to 2021, it doesn't have any problem. You're not facing any problem here. Okay, make sure that you can have it. Yeah, it has been sent, ma. I think around 400 or 500 MB it will be there. Only one zip you download.
Yes, sir.
Don't download both. Okay, this two you download. I think this is only fine. Why? Because I taught you how to do. You told this video is not clear. I told you how to do this one. Okay, this video what I'm going to send to the uploading today's videos, that will be clear. I hope, right? Okay, that's also you can follow that. Anyone is fine in this. Keep the left means that link safe. You can send it to any other your private, your own WhatsApp also. Keep it safe. Okay. Is that clear, right, ma? Final, right? So I given a way where you can practice after our class also. Whenever you want, you can practice. Not a problem. Always keep in touch with the Tableau. So very upcoming and very developed software, not upcoming, already developed. Okay, most of the companies are hiring many jobs for this. Okay, I told you already in the starting of the class also. Okay, so how to miss this batch? Why? Because the one of the best batch where ever I've seen, where everybody will be doing the practical on spot and doing it and sending it without fail. Okay, when I compare with other colleges and other batches, really it's a very good batch, very good batch, nice one. Okay, so today will be our last class, so I will miss you, all of you. So take the exams. I will be keep on touch on the group. Okay, I'll be posting that. Okay, so tomorrow if it is exam, I will be sending that all informations before only. Okay, fine, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so bye everyone, ma. Take care. Okay, all the best for your exams
Thank
and
you,
for your
sir.
futures. Okay, thank you, ma.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
yeah,
So what about the attendance?
yeah, the remaining. 1 second.
Sir, also, how long will be for like the exam? How long will it go on for?
That's what. The exam maybe tomorrow we have on 1 hour, 15 minutes or 1 hour, or maybe 60 minutes. 1.5 hours means 1 hour, 15 minutes. The exam will be there. Okay, and it may be tomorrow, or if not, it will be informed. The proper information should be given.
So the
Okay, sir.
timings, sir, if you know.
Timings, yeah, 4 to 6 will be there. Same timings will be there.
Okay, sir.
If it is the same timings before only or morning or afternoon only, it will be informed. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hafsan,
Present, sir.
present. I'll minimize that list one. Akanksha, present. Ananya, even you say ma. Yes, I'll not have a confirmation here. I do. Okay, now I will. Okay, Ankita, Ayushi Raj Singh, Bhavana,
Present.
Kajal Kava, CK Vinita, present. Kajal,
Present, sir.
Lydia, present. Maddie Jaisri,
Present, sir.
Maddie Jaisri, Sri Arshita, Muskan Kaba, Neha Lubuna,
Present, sir.
Nikant, Balak, Ritika,
Present, sir.
Ritika present. Ruhi,
Present, sir.
Sakshi,
Present, sir.
Sanjali,
Present, sir.
Shruti, Tanya Tripati,
Sir.
Tanvi Nachappa, Vipala Datri, Vipala Datri. Okay. So I hope you the entire sessions were clear and hope you all of you understood well. Okay. Clear, right, for everyone? This entire session you are clear, right?
Sir, it's Ayushi.
Yes.
I'm present, sir.
Ayushi Raj Singh given, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, I hope all of you understood, ma. Okay, so just you can leave your comments or feedbacks in the chat box for me, not for anything backups and all. Just you write last 1 or 2 words for me for our class. Any positives or negatives, anything needs to be corrected, anything are fine, good or bad, anything on your right side, just write it on the chat box. Okay, and bye. I'm going to miss you all. Write a chat, just your feedbacks and chat box, and you can leave.